Wait, no. What do I delete? Open I see that my name is Car. Me, you got it right. Let me say it one more time. Car. Open on your eyes, see that my name is Car. Me, you got it right. While we're waiting for the update to download, I'm gonna tell you the sponsor. Just kidding. So, we're just gonna look at things. What? I'm just gonna wait. Oh, it's downloading now. It's downloading. Let's go! Whoa. That's why everything is hacked. Open all your eyes, see that my name is Car. Tell me you got it right. Let me say it one more time. Oh, man, you say how proud you are of me. So stay away, just long enough to see my way. My way. Well, this was already 2 minutes. 3 minutes. Tennis ball! I'm just gonna watch some RD makes vids. Wow, that's so cool! But anyways, let's check on the update. Oh, it's installing now. Cold blue. The hazardous animal has escaped. Do you hear that? There's construction outside. Yes! Ayo. Oh. Nothing has changed. Oh, there's numbers on the weapons. No new weapons so far. Is there new weapons yet? Or it's just new maps? Oh, there's a new police car. New police car. Some new hats. Let me guess. A bee hat. Bro, it has... Oh, this is cool. This is cool. Something cool. It's a furry toe. A furry toe. A furry. Yes, where? Let's see the glasses. Actually, I'm wearing glasses right now. Oh, right. Oh, what? Ugh, scary. What in the world is this? This is so weird. Oh, Chicken Gun, you surprise me every time I update. It's a bucktooth Huggy Wuggy. Ew. Okay, now let's see the tails. What? Oh. Let's see the backpack. Let's see what's in store. Let's see the backpack. Let's see if there is more. It's a bunny. Anyways, let's see more. If there's more. Monkey backpack. Archery. Some new wings. Is that new wings? Guess some new wings. Whoa. I think this is new. Wait, a monkey backpack. Why is it still here? I got some plate ears and that rabbit or bunny. Construction, some bottles, some nuclear waste. I guess some capes. So many capes! Let's seal el mops. It's a Hermes crab! I'm not Spanish, by the way. It's a fly. It's a fly. If there's no new others, I will cry. No. By the way, why their ears? Tail. Oh, whoa, that's so cool! That's so cool! Wow! It has an animation! I am the pizza man. I'm green. And so these were the furries. What in the world? I thought that was steam coming out of the mouth. The steam coming out of the mouth. Let's see the new maps. Where? Let's see the new maps. There was an ad, and there they are. Port Base, Town 2, and Empty. Let's see the Port Base. Let's say the Port Base. Port Base. No, it's Port Base. Port Base. I'm talking to myself. Is there any sirens here? Unfortunately, no. There's a wrecked ship over here. A broken ship. Not the... La 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 la. I'm gonna explode this haunted ship. Oh! That something touched my butt. Hey, yo. Whoa, this is cool. This is cool. Coolio, mulia. What was that noise? It's just 2 inches deep. Australian accent. Australian accent. Accent. Yeah. I found the glitch, guys. Wow, we're drinking through. No offense. There's some new killer. It's a creeper face. It's a lumberjack. And this a sun. There's a house right there and the house right here. No one will ever go near. Whoa! What? Whoa! 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 What is this? What? What? Whoa! 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 That's cool. Sensitivity? Oh yeah, that's a sensitivity. Let's change the sky. Light intensity. Yes, yes, yes. I'm already scared. Let's go back. Let's go to the next map. Let's go. Only life intensity blah la 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 la. Oh, cool. Whoa, this is actually so cool. Hey, to American accent. This is actually so cool. What is... Why do I sound different? Why do I sound different? Hey guys, you're here? Whoa. This is a whole mansion up here. What? Guys, I know! I found it was a secret! Oh my god. Oh, this is the trip room. There's a toilet. Now I'm getting very scared. Get me out of here. Get out! What? This is all? In the picture there is only one house. How disappointing. Maybe there were houses here, but Shallow Apps removed them. By the way, am I in Antarctica or Russia or New Zealand? Wait, no. Let's just get out and get to the new map. Let's see if there are new modes. No. Let's see the empty. If it is empty. Perfect. This is... Wait, what was that dot? I see a dot. Guys, I'm scared. Guys, can anyone go to that dot I saw? Go to the direction of the dot. Now let's go in a map that is safe. Port base. This looks different, but I don't know. It's cool. If they fix the Kamsky quads, they didn't fix the Kamsky quads TV. And some new bushes, some new tree, some new Why are you just now? Some new dead tree. You're scaring me. Just turn off. Just turn off! Hey! Yeah. Get up. You can't throw it. It's a wooden door. No, it's not a door. It's a wooden plank. Why in the icon this looks like a century musket? Hey, there's nothing here. What is the first ever broken texture? This kiddie bicycle is free. Let's go with the adventure. What a shame. Wow. There's nothing new. Nothing's new. Nothing's new. Let's see some new emotes. Whoa, that's totally cool. I'm going to fish. Yeah, this is old. With that. Yow. Slim Shady. Is there any new things? It's 17 seconds. Can I move tamper? I think that's all, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications for new videos coming up. Still working on a new animation. I'm pretty sure I posted some leaks in the community tab.